Hello friends, my name is Pratik and welcome back to my channel. So guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you if you are using Kotak Bank application and if you are doing a frequent transaction with your friend or family member, for example, and if you want to add beneficiary account of that. So what are the steps involved in that I'm going to explain. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. To add beneficiary account in Kotak Bank application, you have to open the application first. Once the application is completely started, this is the kind of interface you will be able to see on your mobile screen. So now you can see there are multiple options on this page. You can check out your balance over here. And also you have Kotak 811 option. You can check out your other account details and do the transaction. But to add a beneficiary account in Kotak Bank application, all you have to do is you have to select transfer money option over here. So now transfer money option is on the top, and if you scroll down, you will get that option in pay and transfer also. So you can select any of the option and then you have to enter MPIN, your 6-digit MPIN to go forward. Once you enter the MPIN successfully, we are on the next page, and on this page you have option of send money. You can scan any QR and do the payment, and you have other options on this page as well. But to add beneficiary, you have to select beneficiary and UPI ID option over here. And after selecting that, you can see you have option of add beneficiary, manage beneficiary, and manage UPI ID. So as we want to add a beneficiary, we will select option of add beneficiary over here. Once we do that, we are on the next page, and over here you can select a particular bank. For example, if your friends, if you're adding your friend as a beneficiary account, so if his account is in SBI or in other bank, you can select that bank from here, and then you can enter all the other details which are required, and then you can simply click on continue to add that particular account as beneficiary account. So I'm going to show you. So I'm going to add IndusInd Bank account. So I've already selected IndusInd Bank. Now IFSC code is automatically over here, but that IFSC code is not which I want. So you can also edit that. So I'm going to edit it. After entering the IFSC code, you can enter account number and you have to confirm account number over here. Now, if you want to add a nickname, you can add over here. So I'm adding my own account. So I'm going to write my name over here. Now over here in enter beneficiary name, you have to enter that person's proper name. Now after entering beneficiary name, you have an option of select account type over here. So you can select whichever account type you are adding. And after that, if you are adding your own account, you do get an option of tag as my account over here. So if you want to do that, you can do it, but I'm going to skip it for now. And after entering all the details properly, you should check once and then you can click on continue. Now we are on the next page, and on this page, you can check all the details which you have entered. You can check the bank name, you can check the account name, account number over here. You can check the nickname which you have set, beneficiary name and account type over here. So after checking all the details properly, you can simply click on submit over here. Now we are on the next page and we have to enter the OTP, and now you can see OTP is already been received. So you have to enter that activation key over here or OTP over here, and then you can activate this account as beneficiary account. So let me check the OTP first. After entering the activation key or the OTP, you have to click on activate option over here. Now you have seen that beneficiary account is added or activated successfully. We can click on OK. Now to check the added beneficiary account, what we have to do is we have to go back. After coming back, we can click on beneficiary and UPI ID, and then we can select manage beneficiary over here. After selecting manage beneficiary, here you can see beneficiary account is successfully added. So these are the simple steps which you can follow if you want to add a beneficiary account for frequent transaction in Kotak Bank application. So that's pretty much it for today's video, guys. If you like this video, hit that like button. If you find this video informative, you can share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. So I will see you all in the next one. Thank you.